In one of the driest regions of Kenya, a church caught the vision of starting new groups of believers among unreached people groups near their community. One of the most unreached people of Kenya are the Samburu people.
One church there called Isiolo Central Point was interested in starting congregations among the people groups around.
Two women, Rose and Mary, spearheaded the project and encouraged local church members to raise funds to send out a church planter to the Samburu.
And then he started reaching out to them with the word of God, doing Bible study, and some of them accepted the gospel, the three angels' messages.
After a while, Global Mission provided funds so the church planter could continue as a global mission pioneer. Soon, Jasmine Jacobs, founder of Reach International, got involved. She visited the area and saw the need for a church building.
And so she thought of, instead of starting just building a church, if she built a school there, that school would also act as a church. As the children learn how to read and write, then on Sabbath they would be coming there to worship.
Reach International built 3 classrooms on land donated by the local community. They also saw that women had to walk for hours to get water, so they drilled a borehole well, and before long a solar-powered pump and reservoir were added. The school and water attracted more people. The school grew, and so did the church. Maranatha Volunteers International also saw the need and built a church with enough room so people could worship freely. They also enhanced the water system and put in a garden and irrigation system. All these church organizations, working together over time, kept mission moving forward. The local church, the conference, Global Mission, and supporting ministries like Reach International and Maranatha Volunteers International all did their part.
And so my advice is that we should, as much as we can, bring any organizations which want to support global mission. They want to support the mission of the church. Bring all these organizations together. Some will drill water, others will build classrooms, others will build clinics and health centers. If we can bring together these resources, the work of God can advance very, very fast.